Hi everyone, welcome back. Today, let's unbox with me this new phone. It is the Samsung Galaxy A05. I got this one because it is the time of the year where I would renew my cell phone plan, and this was the phone that was included, the Samsung Galaxy A05. It is an octa-core 4 GB memory with 128 GB internal storage. I got the black version. There's only two variants, which is the black and the silver. And for the memory, you get to choose whether it is 64, 68. Correct me if I'm wrong, and the 128 GB that I had. And this one has the 5000 mAh battery. And inside the box, it's included the USB-C to USB-C cable, which is, I'm really glad it's already USB-C to USB-C because this has a free adapter already included. It's already a USB-C to USB-C adapter also. And last inside the box, we have the SIM ejector tool. And now let's focus on the phone. The Samsung Galaxy A05 is quite big. It is a 6.6 screen size, and it's pretty glossy on the back, I would say. And it's really a fingerprint magnet. I would just put a screen protector and a back protector as well. And this phone also has an 8 megapixel front camera. And on the back, there's two cameras, which is the 2 megapixel depth camera, and the second one is the 50 megapixel wide angle camera. Now, just starting up the phone, and I will be setting this phone up. And there's a smart switch that will ask you if you have another Samsung phone. You can smart switch the things that you have on your old phone to a new phone, so you will not get hassled to be putting every little thing, every little details inside. But I opt not to yet, since I'll be just showing you guys what's inside the phone first. And here's it is after simply setting it up. It's basically what Samsung Galaxy. It's a simply, if you have a Samsung, it's a pretty basic pattern. And I'll be just using the light mode for now. And here's the about phone. And I would try the game since it has a in things that was already installed, and I want to try gaming. And here's a the worm zone. It's the first time playing this game just for fun, but it's actually pretty great gaming on this phone. It has a nice graphics, and it's a pretty smooth one. And as you can see, I don't have any case yet, and I have played for about 15 minutes, but it was not too hot. And when you play videos on YouTube for this phone, it would play up to 1080p. Hi everyone, welcome back. Today is a different day than the one that you have seen on the first half that I have filmed. Here I'm showing you the bottom. We have here the sound, we have charger and the audio jack, and we have here the SIM slot. It is a two SIM. We have here the power button. Then we have here the volume keys. And this phone is a pretty fingerprint magnet. So if you're not planning to put any screen protector, back protector, or a case, I would suggest you would bring a something to wipe this phone off. And here's the purpose why I am out filming today is to show you guys how it looks to take photos and videos. I'm just going to do the normal setting. I'm not gonna do something anything drastic or editing these photos and videos. Later on, I will insert the clip at the end, and it's actually a pretty good photos. It's not as vibrant as other phones, but it's great already. And here's for the video. This phone is already great for social media, basic social media posts. And here's the footages that I have insert from the Samsung Galaxy A05 itself. Thank you everyone for watching. Follow for more.